Welcome to the 15th session of Business Statistics. That is, in this session, we will be discussing about the introduction to regression analysis. In the previous chapter, we had discussed about the correlation analysis, and in the present session onwards, we will be discussing about the regression analysis, regression coefficients, meaning of the regression, and also the application of regression analysis in finance. This regression analysis is a set of statistical methods used for estimation of relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. This can be utilized to assess the strength of the relationship between the variables and for modeling the future relationship between them. The regression analysis includes several variations such as linear, multiple linear, and non-linear equations. The most common models are simple linear and multiple linear methods. The non-linear regression analysis is commonly used for more complicated data sets in which the dependent and independent variables show a non-linear relationship. Regression analysis offers numerous applications in various disciplines, including finance. The regression analysis application in finance. The regression analysis has several applications in finance also. For example, the statistical method is fundamental to the CAPM method. Essentially, the capital asset pricing model equation is the model that determines the relationship between the expected return of an asset and the market risk premium. The analysis is also used to forecast the returns of securities based on different factors or to forecast the performances of the business. So, the first application may be in the beta and CAPM models. In finance, regression analysis is used to calculate the beta value, that is volatility of returns relative to the overall market of a stock. It can be done in Excel using the slope function. And the second application is related to the forecasting revenues and expenses. When forecasting the financial statements for a company, it may be useful to do a multiple regression analysis to determine how changes in certain assumptions or drivers of a business will impact the revenue or expenses in the future. For example, there may be a very high correlation between the number of salespeople employed by a company, the number of stores they operate, and the revenue the business generates. So this is about the introduction to the regression analysis. One thing we should remember about the meaning of regression analysis is based on the value of one variable, we will be predicting the another variable in case of this regression analysis. So we shall look into further illustrations and examples in the following sessions. Thank you.